Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today is Friday, the first non-farm payroll of the year. And we're looking at the calendar here, as you can see right in front of us. I'm going to make it really snappy, this video that is. Today, Friday, this should be explosive. So this here is the fundamentals. The next question is, what's happening with respect to the technicals? Where is the price for the DXY, the USD index? Where is price for Euro USD or the cable or the dollar yen or any of the other major currency pairs? Of course, with respect to the USD. So let's flip over quickly to the chart and let's see what the market is telling us. First things first, if you notice that we've been following this USD chart for a while, where we placed a buy here, and if you watch the previous videos from yesterday and the day before and whatnot, I see that we took our profit out over here. It has gotten to this point. Yesterday, we talked about the bounce from here and it pushed higher. But I wasn't going to be looking forward to taking a buy here. So trade was here, took out profit here, and then what is next for the market? Now, this is what I am seeing. This here is the DXY USD index, depending on what your broker is offering it as. And you can see price is at this significant area of former support turned to resistance. So here is going to be very, very key. I would like to look for a trigger to sell and then take it back down. Well, I don't know how far back it might drop if we do get an entry here. And one thing I'll tell you, losses are part of the business. I could get a sell position here and then it could easily blow me away and then come back here and act as support and push higher, right? One thing I would say is the market has already pushed from this point, from this lows here, all the way to this point here. Can it push higher? Well, yes, it can. But what is your bias? If you look at this market, this is the hourly time frame. But if you do something, I'm just going to show you something real quick. From these highs over here, to the lows, right? To this all-time lows over here, at least based on this hourly chart, right? You notice that if you draw a Fibonacci, if you put a Fibonacci from here to here, I'm not going to do that. This will be a little exercise for you. This is my own journal. I'm just going to be recording my videos based on what I see, what I expect, and the trades that I take, of course. So this will probably be 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci retracement from here to here. And this will be a very fantastic, beautiful place to look for shorts to go down. So my bias is shorts for today, Friday. Let's see how it goes. Don't forget to pay attention to the fundamentals, but at the same time, use the technicals for your entry and direction, of course. So the market this week for the DXY, for the dollar, has been bullish. So as it has been bullish, right? Is it going to continue to be bullish today based on the non-farm payroll coming out? Or are we going to see a drop? It could drop partway based on the weekly candle, this weekly candle, or it could even drop all the way down. But I don't know how heavy the impact is going to be for non-farm payroll today. So it probably might not drop all the way down, at least not today. Today is the last day of the week, right? So let's see how price plays out in this area. So this will be my focus for this USD index. For this USD index, that means that if I'm going to be looking at the likes of Euro USD, just drag this on in. You can see this is the area I'm paying attention to. If we're going to be looking forward to GBP USD, this is the area I'm looking forward to for buying. And of course, if it's USD CHF, this is the area for selling, right? So know your instruments, know how to uh, follow the direction. It could be trend, it could be counter trend based on what the market is telling you. Just know how to take advantage. At the end of the day, always ensure that your risk reward ratio is in the right proportion because you will have losses. Make sure your risk is not greater than your reward. Your reward should always be greater than your risk. That is very key, very, very important. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I would do my possible best to help you out. Trade safely and take care. Cheers.